Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening for all the educators from all the globe. Okay, so I'm teacher Lisa Im from Malaysia. Yeah, welcome to this great event, the Education Technology Online Live 2022 from 7 to 9 January, organized by GEG APEC Weekend Staying Connect 5.0. Okay, are you ready to join me? Okay, I'm going to show my slide. Yeah, this is the GEG Education Technologies banner. Okay, there's a lot of the sharing from all the educators start from yesterday, 7, and it will end until the 9. Okay, so today is my session. Okay, so my topic is about one page gallery with Google Slides. Okay, so today I'm going to focus on the Google Slides when like you want to teach in your class physically or remote. Yeah, okay, you can give them as an assignment or maybe in your class. Okay, so this is me, Lisa Im from Malaysia. Okay, and this is my title. Yeah, again, I mentioned one page gallery, one page only with a Google slide. This is a powerful and awesome apps from the Googles. Okay, so my tips is before you want to set this one page, before you want to set the one page gallery with Google Slide, okay, my suggestions is, my tips is, you better draft up your content, what you want to, the items or the information that you want to share with your student or maybe with your learners. Secondly is you need to search for the informations or might be you prepare your own one, okay? And then lastly, you design, okay, design the slide and you add in all the hyperlink, okay? So after you have ready, of course, use it and share it. Share it. Maybe you can share with your learner, your students, or maybe you want to share among your colleagues or you want to share to the public. Okay, so what can we share? Okay, so maybe we can share the articles, journals, encyclopedias. You might be can share with YouTube videos. For example, let's say you are the science teacher, like me, I'm the chemistry teacher. I use quite a lot of the YouTube videos to share some experiments because since last 2 years we have remote teaching, so my student cannot do the experiment. So I share a lot of the videos from the YouTubes and some of the videos and I record my own. You may also share the audios. Okay, you record your voice and then you put inside the Google slide. And the best part is you can do the digital quiz. The quiz, there's a many apps that you can use for the quiz. For example, or I think the quite famous one is the Kahoots, Quizzes, and you may use a Google form or you may use many things, right? Okay. Beside that, you want to test your student, you may use a EduPuzzle video. After you embed the videos, you can make some questions in the video. That's you can use a pretty cool apps EduPuzzles. Beside that, you want to share after the student follow this gallery, the learning, that you might want to test the understanding of student. You may give them the worksheets. You may use the teacher makes worksheets. Okay, and if you want to ask the student to share their finding or their knowledge, okay, or maybe solve some problem, you may use Padlets, and this can be the gallery walk for the students. They can share with other students as well. Okay, beside that, pretty cool from Google, we can use a Jamboard as well. Okay, Jamboard to draw and maybe to write the informations that what we want. Or we may use a Wakelet, Google Forms, Google Map, Book Creator. You may share the file. Or the pretty cool one is you can use your own Bitmoji. Okay, So this is some of the things that you can share in the gallery, right? That was mentioned. Okay. So how we can use this? We can use this gallery as a maybe for student for self-learning, or you may use it as an assignment. Okay, assignment, or maybe during your teaching, either physical or remotely, you can use them as a group work for group work, or you can use it as a flipped classroom. Okay, flipped classroom, and to make your class more interactive classroom. Okay, I think this is the one that I'm going to teach you. Okay, so before that, I'm going to show you this. Okay, for example, I make this. I'm going to talk about the soap. Okay, soap. So basically, so I will plan this. I have history, what is soap, how making soap, cleansing action of soap. Okay, inside here, I also have some library for students to recover after they explore all these things. They may go to the library to maybe to read up or to refresh what they are finding from the exploration here. So after that, they might do the challenge. Okay, this challenge I put here the edu puzzle and the quizzy as well. Okay, so as I mentioned just now, we can add in we can add in many things. You can add in article, journal, edu-puzzle, quizzy, right? So that's why I have it here. Okay, for example, so history. So let's say I'm the first time I want to study about the soap. What I do, I know every day we are using the soap since young, right? Since baby, but I don't know what is about soap. Okay, so I want to know about the history, so I make here. So you can see here, this is all the hyperlink. Okay, so the student, when you share this, or maybe during your lesson, you can just click here and then you will pop up the encyclopedia about the soap, so the student can read from here. Okay, so if it's too small, you may make it larger, right? Okay, so this is how you use it. Okay, this is to then the student will read and then they'll find out what is actually the soaps, the contents and so on, the characteristic. Yeah. Okay, so I'll come back here. So beside this, you may want to let student know about the history. So actually soap has been known for at least 2,300 years. Okay, what is this? Pretty cool, right? Okay, so what is this? So you may put this here. Oh, this is the diagram to show that actually the soap is from France from plant from since 1771 years, so they can read more. Okay, at least okay, this is about detergent, and then they want to read more about the soap. Okay, they can read from here. Okay, to find out more. Even they can see, oh, the plant ash to form soap. This reaction is called saponification. Okay, they may click here or they come back. Okay, so after this, they may come back here. Okay, so after they have explored, read more. Okay, I want them to read more to get more information about the history. I may put another link here. So the student will read more. Oh, the history, how to use, yeah, according to this, and then they read here lah. Okay, the earlier soaps production and so on. So after they read, okay, they come back here. So now, yeah, can you see here? This is the icon. Oh yeah, before that, and then they can use a Padlet. Okay, so they will add in here. Okay, write down anything. Okay, okay, so okay, so they just public, yeah, and then can get here. This is what I want my student to do, right? Okay, so might be you say that if I'm the student, I get this, I maybe I don't have the direction, right? So you can, as I said just now, you can add audio. So you can add the audio, for example here. Okay, this is the audio. Hello everyone, welcome to explore what is soap, the history, how to make, and the functions. And don't forget, you have to do the exercise when you see an icon of pencils, and you need to record the video to explain
how the soap can remove the grease or the dirt from the fabric.
Okay, so this is like some briefing
Thank
for the
you.
student. Yeah, this is some briefing for the student. You can add in here. Okay, so you can record your own voice. So the student, when they get, when you share this gallery to them, it's like, although maybe they are having self learning, you're not beside them, but when they hear our voice, you can. I will play one more round.
Hello
Yes.
everyone,
Yeah,
welcome
hello
to
everyone.
explore what is soap, the history, how to make, and the functions.
Okay, so this is like how the student can know about us. Okay, so beside that, okay, what is soaps? So I add more here. Soap is a mixture of sodium salts and various naturally occurring fatty acid. Okay, so the student want to know more about this, they will click this link and they can read from here. Oh, this is the diagram. Okay, large image. Okay, you can see this. The image, okay, they can read here. Oh, actually, to make the sodium salt, they need this. They need to use the NaOH, the sodium hydroxide, and this is a product they can read from here. Okay, so fat, oh, sodium glycerol. The product is glycerol and sodium salt and fatty acid, and they can read more. Okay, so this is a one. Yeah. So after that, okay, so now they know what is about the soap. You may add more link lah. Okay, here I just add one only. So after that, okay, we want to test the student whether they understand what is the soap, what is the ingredient, the structures, or how it work. Okay, then you can prepare by using the Jamboard. Okay, explain the structure of soap in Jamboard. So they click here. So the Jamboard will pop up. Okay, so the student, then they can, after that, of course, before that, of course, we have to let our student know how to use the Jamboard lah. I'm sure that now student know how to use the Jamboard lah. Yeah, okay, so if you don't know, the teacher, if you, let's say, maybe say, I'm not familiar with Jamboard, can I use other things? No, it's okay, you can use, you may use the Google Doc, you may use the Google Slide as well. Okay, so they may draw here, click, and then they may insert the image and so on, can pass here. So then teacher can mark. Okay, so that's one. Okay, so this is the exercise. So when they see the pencil, mean they must do something. Okay, so after they know the history, they know what is the soap, and then we want to let them know how to make soap. Yeah, so this part is the next part is the making soap. So the making soap also I add in the making soap, I add in a few link here so that they can see the various method. So the process, so we know that the process making soap is saponification. So what is saponification? So the student may, if they know more, they will click this link and they will study from here. Oh, the making of soap is saponification. So alcohol, okay, they can read from here, the making of soaps. Okay, so this is a thing. Oh, this is a structure, the hydrolysis, and you get this here. Then you come back. Okay, so then what is the method, how to do it? Okay, this is an easy method to make soap. Yeah, so you can share the video.
A really quick and simple soap video. I had posted a picture of my soap on my personal Facebook page.
So
My mom
student
and
can
my I
hear.
believe my sister-in-law both asked. So first things
Yeah.
first is you're also going to want to be in a well ventilated area because
Okay, so this is how they can see. It's look like actually we want to, we can bring our lesson to the students daily life. So you can see actually at home also they can make soap, right, without using the laboratory apparatus. Okay, so next, okay, so and then we can teach our student become the recycle. So we can add in the environmentals to reduce environmentals problem. Okay, for example, we can show them some activities. For example, here I shows that making soap from use of cooking oils. So they can see here. Okay, so how to make homemade soap using cooking oil. So this is the, and then they have all this. The student may try it. Okay, yeah, they can try it. Okay, so you have a slide. All these are the apparatus at home. Okay, so beside that, okay, I just put many here so that teachers, you can have varieties. Actually, in your class, you don't need to put so many links about the making of a soap. Okay, it depends. So beside that, now we have VR. So I also can found I found one very good VR link, VR video. Okay, I would like to share with you. So may find other VR link, the suitable one.
We require measuring cylinders, common salt, glass beakers, coconut oil, 20% NaOH solution, Bunsen burner.
Okay, so this is the virtual lab. Okay, so virtual lab, because maybe flip classroom, you may use this virtual classroom to show that the student, so that they know about this virtual experiment. Okay, beside that, okay, beside, if you don't like to use a virtual, you may use a simulation. Okay, this is a real experiment done by a schools. Okay, a group of students.
Fatty acids.
Okay, for
If
example,
potassium hydroxide
they
is
explain.
hydroxide solution,
Yeah, so you can see that this is a real experiment they show.
common salt,
Yeah, so the student can read and replay many times. Okay, so yeah, they can see all these things.
it is observed that the beaker is warm. Hence, the reaction between palm oil and sodium.
Okay, so all this video you may get from the YouTube, or you may record your own video. As I said just now, you may use your own material. Okay, you may use your own material. Remember here. Okay, you may use your own material. Okay, so after that, so this is, remember I said just now, you need to design. Okay, you need to draft your content. So the content, so I draft my content. I will have history, what is soaps, making soap, and then cleansing action. These are the four pillars that, four important information that I want my student to find out. Okay, so, and then after I have the content, then I will find the activities, right? Okay, so after they know about how to make the soap, then I want them to know how the soap can do the work, the cleansing actions. Okay, so you may add any things that you think is suitable. So for here, I would like to my student to know about the science behind the how soap can remove the dirt. Okay, so this is a thing they may see from here, explaining by the scientists very well, so they can see, okay, how that the soap can get rid of the dirt.
Dirt and grime have no
So may choose the video like more to the daily life. Okay, for example, this is really
chance against
daily
soap.
life.
Soap and water make even the filthiest hands sheer. But how does
And then-
soap get at the dirt? It's all a question of chemistry. Water has a
So
surface
this is a
tension that
very
prevents
clear
it from thoroughly
explanation.
removing dirt.
Yeah.
This allows it to get into fine pores,
Step
bringing it
by
closer
step.
to the dirt.
Okay, so this is how it works. Yeah, this is thing. And then okay, if you want to, the student want to learn more about cleansing action, okay, learn more about this, they can click here. So, and then I pop up another video. Okay, this is more
Cleansing
to the,
action of soap.
the facts. Okay,
Soap
step by
ions
step.
consist of two parts. The
So,
first part is the
from
head.
here, student know the structure again. Then the hydrophilic, hydrophobic. Okay, so the structure of they know the structure, and then how the soap can do the action. This is the
Dissolve
video,
in water.
right? Okay, so then, yeah. So this is that. Okay, after that, how we ensure that our students already learn all these things. They understand what is the cleansing action of how the soap act as a cleansing agent, how the soap can clear the dirt or remove the grease from the fabric. Okay, so then here I can put one assessment, a test. Actually, it's a test, but I didn't put here as a test. I say explain how soap act as a cleansing agent to remove the grease from the fabric in Flip Grip. Okay, so this is a Flip Grip. As you know that Flip Grip is an application that the student, you prepare the link, student just click and then they can record their video. For example, here, I would like to show you, but today I didn't focus on how to use the Flip Grip. Yeah, how to use it. I just apply it. So let's say you give the student this link. So the student can just add responses, click this one, and they can record the video here. For example, this is the one that I simply tried. Yeah. So for example, this is your student.
Hello,
Yeah.
I want to talk about soap.
Okay. So this is how you can test the student. So after the student submit the video, and then you can rate them, you can mark them, okay, verbally. So I always believe that if the student can say it out, student can tell the story, of course, when during the exam, they can write it completely. Yeah. Okay. So after they have gone through this exploration, the history, the what is this, these four processes, okay, and then they might want to see a whole picture about what is a soap. They may go to the library. This is a library. Okay, let's click here. My library. You can make a library. So the library is I use a book creator. Okay, just a moment. So this is a book. Yeah. Okay. So this one I make soap and detergent as well. So they may read from here. They can turn on the book. Okay, the history. Yeah, and so on. They may click just play. Okay, play. Okay. So for example, here this is a book. Okay, they just click here and then they can flick through and read again. Okay, inside here also got video. They can see some more. Yeah, there's many ways lah. Yeah. So for example, maybe you say that why not I just directly share this book? Why not I just directly share this whole book to my student? Yeah. Okay. So that's a good question because I don't want the student like just read the whole things. Okay. I want them to explore and do the justifications and analyze and pick the information. This is the 21st century skills, the 4C skills. They may collaborate with their friend. So and then I want them to record the video. This is the things that we can enhance the communication skills. And then design, and then like Jamboard, they can do the creativity things, right? Okay, so let me see, any questions? Okay, yeah, thank you. So yeah, so how do you think this one page gallery? How do you think this one page gallery? If you think it's cool, you just type cool at the chat box. I would like to see. Okay, yeah. You also may share with me, you are from which country? Okay, yes. Okay, good. So now I'll come back here. Okay, so beside this library, and then you have challenge. Okay, the challenge here I can use the EduPuzzle. So EduPuzzle, as we know, the EduPuzzle is the video. We have the video, right? Have the video. Okay, video, and then student can
Subscribe. Bell. Like. Comment. Share.
Click on each of the
Okay,
graphics
so the
to find
student
out
can
more
read,
about soap.
can read and do the answers lah, do the questions. Okay, and then also we can give them quizzy, yeah, quizzy. Can use them the quizzy. You can use a quizy and you start, then the student will get the questions. Okay, so you may do the quizy. Okay, so yeah, any questions so far? Oh, okay, cool. From Australia. Yeah, okay, Maria. Okay. So now I would like to share with you. Okay, Mel. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, cool. So now I would like to share with you how we can make this one page gallery with using the Google slide, right? Okay, so first of all, let me insert. So let's say I will start from scratch. Okay, so I will insert a new slide. Okay, so new slide. So I don't want this, right? I don't want this. So I just click it. Okay, so now I may choose the background. For example, again slowly, maybe you can set up your background. The background you maybe can add image, or you may use a color only. For me, this time I use a color. For example, I can choose, I want to choose light color. I like this color. Let's say, for example, right? Okay, I use this color. Okay, then my title is about the soap. So you can add in the text, and then you may type here soap. Okay, text, and then this one, you may change the font to make it more precise. Okay, let's say I want this, and make it bold and make it bigger, right? Okay, and I maybe justify to the middle, and I may change the color. Let's say I like this color. Okay, that's why I said just now, you need to have you need to design, draft and design, right? Okay, so and then like for example here, I want to add this picture here. So to add the picture, you no need to go from others. You just wait, let me close a few so that it will not make my okay. So you may add the picture here, insert. Okay, again, you want to add this, I want to add a picture about the soap. So insert image. Okay, you can upload from your computer or from web. Okay, if I want to from web, you just type transparent. So you can get a lot of this thing here, right? Okay, you can put anything here. So for example, I want this. So you just double click and then you resize it. Okay, this is how this is you can add from the gallery. Okay, let's say I want to add upload from my computer. So for example, I already set in here. I don't have it here. Sorry, never mind. So you can upload anything here. For example, I just show you one here. For example, I want this picture. Okay, I just add in here. Just double click. Okay, you can save it first before you want to do this, or you can search from the internet here. Okay, after that, okay, you may want to record the voice. Okay, you want to record the voice, you can go to this. You go to the Vocara, this one. Okay, you just click here. Hello, welcome
Hello
to my
everyone. Welcome to explore what is soap,
Oh.
the history,
Oh
how
wait, because just now I record. Okay, now I'm going to record the new one. Hello, welcome to my class.
hello everyone.
Okay, so this is the one. Then I will, after that, I will download. Okay, download, and then you drag this into your Google Drive first. Okay, into your Google Drive. Okay, so it's in your Google Drive. So now I want to insert the audio. You just click again. You click insert. Okay, you click audio. Okay, audio you may from the computer or from your drive. Let's say it's from my drive. I want this. Okay, so you may put it here, right? Okay, so you can try. Okay, so you click here and then you can get your voice.
Hello everyone.
Okay, so meaning that when you share this gallery to your student, although you are not with your student, but student can hear your voice, meaning that it's like you are beside them. Okay, so after that, if you want to make this icon bigger, you can make it bigger. Okay, and then you may add some shape. Okay, it's up to you. Any shape that you want. For example, like I want this shape. Okay, and then you can make it. You can color it. For example, I want this color, and then you send it order. You go to the order. You send it back. Okay. Okay, so after that, as I say that you can add in, for example, here I can add in Bitmoji. So I already have my Bitmoji account. So this is my Bitmoji. So you can have your own Bitmoji. So I simply click, for example, here. Okay, I want this. I just drag and put it here. Okay, you can resize it. Okay, I want to put it here. Okay, it's up to you lah. Okay, so this is the things that I have done. So after that is my content. So I have history. So history. So for example, I can copy from here. Okay. Sorry. Oh, never mind. I can use this insert text box. Okay, so I may put here history. And then history, and then you can change the color. Okay, for example, this one I want I want this color and bold it. Okay, so after that you can just copy and paste one here, and one more here. Okay, so the second one is what is soap, right? So I just put here what is soaps. Okay, the third one is making. Okay, making soap. Okay, I already did my draft. Okay, I have my draft. If you don't have a draft, you can just type it. Okay, so this one I want to put this as a question. Okay, you can drag this box so that it become one line. Okay, you can drag more. Okay, so if you can see here, the font is different. Okay, this one is 14. You can set. Okay, let's say I want this 14. I just type this 14. Maybe 14 is too small. Okay, I don't want 14. I maybe want it to be 16. Okay, 16. I want it 16. Okay, I just put it all equally 16. So I already have 4 contents. So the activity, what are the activity that I want to put it here? Okay, I will use another text box here, right? So I'm going to talk about this. Okay, soap has been known at least for 2000 years. So then I want the student to see about the hyperlink. For example, here, the soap, right? I want to put in the hyperlink. So what you need to do is you have the link before. Okay, you have the link before. Okay, so you highlight. Okay, highlight this link. Okay, you highlight the soap and then right click link. Can you see the link? Okay, And then you may also link to another slide, yeah. Okay, but here I want to link to this Wikipedia. Okay, and then I just apply it. So now you can see it already hyperlinked. Okay, and I also want to let them know about the more about the history. So this 2,300 years. Also, I want to add the link. Okay, the link you may use a right click, or you can click here, insert link. It's the same one. Insert link. So I will put in the, let's say I already have the link. Okay, put in, copy, paste the link, and then you apply it. So you'll get it already. Okay, so after that, I want them to like share in Padlet, right? Okay, share in Padlet. Okay, so the Padlet also, I must have the link. Okay, you must have the Padlet link. Okay, keep adding the link lah, Padlet link, and you apply it. Okay, and maybe just now here, I want them to read more. Okay, read more. Also, I want them to get more information. Okay, you can right click. I prefer right click faster, and then you add the link. Ta-da-da, you have this already. Okay, so down. Share. Okay, so we want to, I put the icon here. Okay, this icon, so that student know that this is the assignment. Actually, this is assignment, right? Okay, so how to add this? As I said just now, you go to the insert image, upload from either from your computer or from the web. I prefer from the web. You just put transparent, and then I want writing. Okay, so you may choose any other. So for example, I want this diagram. I just double click, and then it is here. Okay, and then you click and resize it. Okay, so it's too big, and then you still can resize it to become suitable size. You can put nearer here. So the student see this icon, mean they know that this is the assignment that they have to do. Okay, so after they have this, and then what is SOAPs? So let's say another text you want to student to find out, then you can just copy and paste here. Okay, this font, copy from others is too big. You may change it to 14. Okay, you can resize. Okay, just now this is 11. Okay, so I will make it the same, make it 11. And this is too big, you can decide, or then I just leave it here. Okay, so now I want the student to know about this, right? Okay, so I will copy the link. Okay, insert the link. Right. So they can have this, right? Okay, so this is how they can do it. Okay, then the Jamboard. Okay, I just copy from here. Explain. So next one, let's say I want them to do the work. Okay, explain in Jamboard. Right? So Jamboard. Okay, so I have my Jamboard link. Okay, so I just highlight the Jamboard. and then you just add the link and you apply it. Okay, so this is also an assignment, so I can copy this and put here so that students will know that this is they need to write something here. Okay, so this is about the Jamboard. Okay, after that is the making of soap. Okay, and then here, okay, so here I would like the making of soap, yes, by using the saffron imitation. Okay, just put here, and this font is too big, you can change it back, resize it to 11. Okay, so I want to emphasize the process, the name of the process. So you highlight the one that you want to emphasize, right? Okay, so now here, this is the saffronification. I want my student to know about what is the meaning of saffronification. Insert the link here so that they will go to the respective resources, yeah, so that they can read more. Okay, after have this, and then shows them some easy way how to make the soap. Okay, this time I will put in the video. Yeah, they put in the video. Okay. So I'll put in the link of the video. YouTube, you can see once I copy the link, so the YouTube icon is straight away here, and then you just apply it. Okay, pretty cool, right? Okay. So I have some others, like for example, makings I want my student to know about recycle. So I have this. Okay, this one I changed it to 11. And again, I repeat this, I put in the link. Okay, and you can continue the rest. Okay, so this is how you can do it, right? Okay, so then later you can add in the videos and the link. Okay, like for example here, this is a link, right? Okay, learn more, also I add in the link, and then Flipgrid. Okay, you Flipgrid. Today I didn't focus on Flipgrid lah. Okay, so far, can I see, have anyone have questions? Okay, you know how to add in the link. Yeah. Okay. So any other questions? Okay. Sure. Okay. Yeah. So as I say just now, you can use this one-page gallery for to add in the articles, the YouTube video, many things lah. Okay. These are some of I shared with you. Okay. Beside this, yeah, how we can use this one page. We can use as for the student for self-learning, assessment, group work, flipped classroom, and also to embark the interactive classroom. Okay, and then of course we want the 4C skills, yeah, for the student. Okay, so for example, assignment and group work, I would like to share with you the one that did by my student. For example, yeah, I call it a young chemist gallery. Okay, for example, I have this. Okay, I set one only. I set SBU Young Chemist channel. I have 2 classes, so I may put them together, or you may put one. So same thing here. Okay, so I put some Bitmoji, you can see, right? Although, let's say I send this to the student, then they can see, oh, this is Teacher Lee. Yeah, this is Teacher Lee, right? Okay. So, and then here also I put some links, okay, because I want to talk about the gallery about the periodic table, the chemical bonds, right? Okay, so I put some relative or respective link so that students will know. For example, they will find out maybe this is the first time they want to learn about periodic table, or maybe you may, let's say you want to teach about biology, about photosynthesis. The first time the student want to know about what is photosynthesis, so you find the respective related picture and the link there. Okay, for example, this for my introduction, I just click here to show that, oh, this is calcium, right? To know, oh, this is, you know, what is the aluminium, right? And so on. Okay, so this is the how we can use it. No, it's here. Here, this one, right? Okay, and then here also some resource. I hide here. The student click here can see. Oh, sorry, this one. I know just now got problem. Okay, this is what and then this is a voice. Okay, I used another way last time. So this one the student can hear lah.
Hello, dear girls and boys. Welcome to SBU Young Scientist channels.
Okay, so this is then the student will listen.
Today we are going to have a special class. Please join me.
Okay, if you are using this, this
Hello.
one is it will you need to go out to another place, right? But if, for example, like just now, if I use the Vocaro will be better. You can embed inside your slide. Okay, so here I would like to show these are the work that, because I divide them into group, okay, a few group, and then assign them the topic so my student they can see. You can see they use their Bitmoji. My student also have their Bitmoji. Depends on their creativity lah. Okay, I didn't force them what follow the way. For example, this group they want to talk about the atomic structure, right, and the isotope, so they put in the link. Okay, they write here basic. If I want to know about the basic atomic, they just click here, and then same thing. They will go to the video and listen. Right, so this is a study. Okay, so all the links they put here. You can see a student actually very, very creative, right? Yeah. Okay, and then another group. Okay, this group want to talk about the uses of ionic compound and covalent compound in the daily life. Okay, so you see here, if like just now, you see you see my slide. Okay, if you see my slide, all is highlighted, is hyperlink. Excuse me, it's hyperlink, and you don't see any link. But if like this one, if you just paste the link, then you can see all the links here. It look not so nice, right? It will be nicer. You type the word and then you insert link. You highlight and insert the link will be better. Okay, so you can see the student, actually they are very creative. This is another group. They want to talk about the group 17, the chlorine, the halogen, the chlorine, bromine, and then they, okay, they put some notes. Okay, you want to see that, they must click on the TV and then they can see the things, right? Okay, next. Okay, this is another one, the Corvalent Bond. Yeah, you can see the student actually they can do very, very well. Okay, they can put all the things here. Okay, and then I will move on to another class. This is another class. Okay, yeah. What is periodic table element? So you click, they click here, they can study. This is another class. Okay, and then this is very, very creative student. They want to talk about transition element. Okay, beside that, they also put in some knowledge about the history. Okay, the scientists that developed the periodic table. For example, if they want to know who is this handsome man, so they just click here. Oh, this is about the J.J. Thomson and so on, right? Okay, and so on. And also they go and find me. Okay, you can see here. This is me. Okay, so yeah, this is how a student can do. Okay, you actually can add the background as well lah. Okay, for example, you can put animation, they can put animation and so on for presentation, right? Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you. So I'm going to conclude my lesson. So how can we use I say we can use as a self for students self learning, assessment, group work, flip classroom, and to make our class more interactive. Okay, so this is the link, right? Okay, I will show it again. Yeah, okay, the benefits. Okay, I would like to share with you what are the benefits that can get from using this using this one page gallery. Okay, so for me I would think that this one page we can put multi sources resources here. Okay, to because maybe we don't have many times to do many information, so we can just pick the relevant and suitable resources or information for our learners, and then it can save our time. Okay, so save our time. Again, flip classroom, and then creativity can embark the creativity, and we can train our student be more independent. Okay, so if they want to know more, they can read more from the link that we share out. Okay, and then interactive classroom, and then enhance the curiosity. So for example, when they watch this video, okay, from the VR and the simulation, and using the cooking oil, the cooking oil to make this one is actually related to the real life. So this will embark the curiosity. Okay, so I think that's all for me. Okay, I think everyone also like this. This is the link. Yeah, I will share it. I will share this link in the chat box. Okay, thank you, Maria. Okay, let's go here. Okay. Okay, so I will paste the link at the chat box. Okay, so far you have any questions? You can let me know. You can type at the chat box. Oh, thank you, Mr. Nada. Our main people, main main gentlemen to make this a success. Thank you, Mr. Nadan. Okay, this is the link. Uh, okay, we have many students, many teachers here from Colombia. Thank you. Okay, so yeah. So if there's no questions, I would like to end my session. Hope to see you soon. Okay, I'll refresh back. Okay, tips here. You draft your content, you search for information, save the link, and then prepare, or maybe you can prepare your own material. For example, I prepared my book later, and then design and add the hyperlink, and then you use it and you maybe share it with your student or with your colleagues. Okay, and then these are the things that you can share. It's actually more than that, right? I just put them here about 14 things that you can share. You can embed into this one page gallery, and then you can use as this maybe more than this. I just suggest this five activity that you can do, and this is the link. Okay, the benefit. Okay, thank you. Okay. Bye bye. I will end the session. Hope you please fill in the link the link so that you can get your certificates from the organizer, the GEG Apex Connect Asia Pacific. Okay. So bye bye. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this session, my sharing, and you can use to benefit your student and also your colleagues. Okay. Bye.